Imagine this. You're sick or injured and you don't have health insurance. You could be on the hook for thousands of dollars in medical bills. That's why it's so important to have health insurance and to choose a plan that's right for you. But choosing a health insurance plan can be confusing. With so many different plans to choose from, it's hard to know where to start. Do you feel confused about how to choose a health insurance plan? You're not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Choosing a health insurance plan is an important decision. After all, your health insurance will cover your medical expenses when you're sick or injured. So it's important to choose a plan that's right for you and your family. Here are a few tips for choosing a health insurance plan. 1. Consider your needs. What are your health needs? Do you have any chronic health conditions? Do you take any prescription medications? Once you know your needs, you can start to narrow down your choices. 2. Compare plans. There are many different health insurance plans available, so it's important to compare them before you choose one. Consider the monthly premiums, deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket maximums. 3. Read the fine print. Before you choose a plan, be sure to read the fine print. This includes the plan's Summary of Benefits and Coverage, SBC. The SBC will tell you what the plan covers, what it doesn't cover, and how much you'll have to pay for different services. Bonus tip. Did you know that you may be eligible for a subsidy to help you pay for your health insurance premiums? To find out if you're eligible, visit healthcare.gov. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.